Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to implement continuous improvement techniques in automation based on leading publications and educational resources. Automation and artificial intelligence, AI, have transformed how companies operate, but to maintain their long-term effectiveness, it is critical to adopt a continuous improvement approach. The image illustrates how leading companies apply feedback and optimization cycles to maximize efficiency. If you are looking to optimize your automated processes and keep them relevant in a dynamic business environment, this video is for you. In the article Continuous Improvement with Automation, Harvard Business Review 2023, the focus is on how to apply continuous improvement principles to automation to stay relevant in industries such as manufacturing and financial services. The article points out the importance of feedback loops and tuning AI algorithms. EB's greatest benefit to companies is that they can align their automation systems with strategic business objectives. In the report, Maximizing ROI through Continuous Improvement in RPA, Deloitte Insights 2024, discusses how to maximize return on investment ROI in robotic process automation RPA through iterative adjustments. The benefit would be reduced operating costs and increased productivity. In the book, Lean AI, Improving Process Efficiency, O'Reilly Media 2023, he offers strategies for applying lean principles in AI to optimize processes and reduce bottlenecks. In the video, Improving RPA with Agile Methodologies UiPath Academy, he explains how to use agile methodologies to adjust automated workflows through rapid iterations and A/B testing. The benefit is rapid adaptation to market changes and improved bot accuracy. In the video, Continuous Improvement in AI and Machine Learning Google AI, experts explain how to apply model retraining and data validation techniques to improve algorithm performance. The benefit achieved is improved accuracy in fraud detection and demand predictions in retail and banking. In the video, Lean Automation, Using Data to Optimize Processes, MIT Sloan School of Management, shows how to apply lean principles to optimize automated processes in the manufacturing industry. In the webinar, Optimizing Machine Learning Models with Data Drift Management, Data Robot provides guidance for managing changes in data and maintaining the accuracy of machine learning models over time. The benefit would be that analysts can identify when a model needs to be retrained to maintain relevance. In the technical guide, Continuous Integration and Deployment for AI Models GitHub explains how to automate model retraining and validation using CI/CD pipelines. Educational resources and continuous improvement techniques are essential to maintain the competitiveness and efficiency of automated processes. By implementing feedback loops, adjusting algorithms, and using real-time data, companies can quickly adapt to new market demands. If you want to optimize your automated processes and maximize their impact on your organization, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we will design a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.